Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change spacing inside text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Publisher document and take a text box. Now we want to change the spacing of this text box. Click the text box, then go to the text box menu, then click the margin option, then choose the wide margin, then increase the font size. Select the text and go back the home menu, then increase the font size. Now we can see we change the spacing inside the text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.